The Model C23i incorporates years of development and testing to deliver an upgraded mowing experience. The mower is designed to be fast, quiet, simple, and easy to maintain, while still providing the excellent performance that you expect from a Walker mower. At the heart of the C23i is the 13.25-inch thru-shaft grass handling system blower. The ground drive system uses Hydro Gear ZT3100 integrated transaxles, powered by the Kohler Command Pro EFI 730 electronic fuel injection engine, and a top ground speed of 8 miles per hour makes the C23i the fastest Walker collection model. The Walker C23i can make the places we live, work, play, and learn even more beautiful. Welcome to the next generation of fast, easy, beautiful mowing.